DIY tripod for Dutch oven cooking. What I've got is 1/2-inch conduit, 1/2-inch sleeves, a 2-inch stainless steel 1/4 bolt, and I got some chain. Let me show you what we're going to
do.
Alright, so I marked down 2.5 inches. Now, you can use a regular hammer, but I happen to have a sledge. Really, we'll flatten that out, just like so.
What are we doing, Dad?
Now I take my self-tapping screw. Just guesstimating. And then take a 1/4-inch drill bit. Right around. Want a little bit of room to play? So our 1/4-inch bolt will fit through. And come on the back side and devert.
Alright. Look at that. Alright.
So we put the carabiner up here, length the chain. I gotta cut the chain yet, but you guys know how to do that.
My opinion, it looks pretty spot on.
Now, let's get into the next trick. Alright, these poles are just shy of 5 feet, and I want to be able to transport them in a car. So I got these couplings, marked it at 29.5 inches. Pull out the grinder, and alright, so now what I'm going to do is I take these clips, these couplings, they're set screws. So what that is you tighten it down and it pinches onto this conduit. And there's a divider right there in the middle so that they don't actually touch like that. So as I slide this one in, get it in as far as I can get it. And then tighten it down. Simple hand screwdriver. It's on there, nice and tight. That's how I'm going to transport it in my car. Alright, so you get to the site, put them together, one bolt, second, third. Actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this, I cut my chain, so we'll slide the chain in, then the bolts, nut, Second nut, I might replace that with a wing nut.
That's what I would have done.
There we go. You can adjust that out.
Nice.
There it is. DIY tripod.